So I'm here with Don, and Don made this crazy trip all the way out from Wisconsin. And I don't know why, but he decided that he wanted to go with some of our parts and really started out where he was going to do, just our lift kit?
Just the lift, and then you told me if I ran enough of the rubber off the tires,
And I
you'd
was
tuck
like,
me in
okay,
the
we'll do
tires.
tires. Next thing you know, Don says, let's do a roof rack, and hey, let's do one of the ladders, let's do sliders. So here we are. Don's car took a little longer than we anticipated it taking. Took an extra couple days actually. And Don was came down to stay in Tucson because it took a little extra time. And with that being said, we felt bad that it took longer because it was supposed to be a day job up at our shop and ended up being a few day job up at our shop. And so we decided that it would probably be best, since he made it all the way from Wisconsin, that it would be best that we drive his car back to him in Tucson where he was gonna stay for a few days. So here we are in Tucson, just dropping Don's truck back off to him. And he's going to go up and enjoy it this weekend up in Sedona.
Sedona, yep.
With the Green 4Runner group.
There'll be 10 Army Green 2020 TRD pros up there hitting the Cowboy Trail Saturday morning.
So pretty cool, pretty exciting that we got to be a part of it. And and Don, thanks so much. Just want to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Really
thank you. I appreciate it. Love your products. It looks great.
Thank you so much for it. Thank you.
And thank you.